Hi guys, Squirrel here. I recently returned from Orlando, Florida, where I attended Flight Sim Expo. Hopefully you've seen the expo video and found it useful. I did a lot of flying while I was out there, and those videos are currently being edited. However, I was going through my old footage and I found this little gem. I'm flying in my friend Max's Cirrus SR22, and we're going from Westchester County Airport to Bradley International for the Flight Sim Expo in 2017. I hope you enjoy.
Alright, clear left. It's a good time too, right at 7 o'clock.
Nice.
Perfect.
Yep. Pretty calm conditions.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful
Slight
day.
wind.
Sometimes in the summer you'll have 30 planes lined up, 15 on this side, 15 on that side. It's nice when you get on in the morning, you just kind of can boogie out of here pretty quickly.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's like our own personal airport.
Exactly.
Silky smooth.
That's so smooth.
Air departure, good morning, Cirrus 595, Mike Whiskey at a 1,000, climb at 3,000.
595 Mike Whiskey, radar contact, climb and maintain 7,000.
7,000, Cirrus 5, Mike Whiskey. Beautiful morning to go flying.
It's, what a day.
Smooth, silky smooth. And you can see why it's so smooth, because the temperature hasn't moved in 2,000 feet. Just right there, just.
Glorious.
You can see, so this is kind of the Connecticut side. And then across that water there is the Long Island Sound. And on the other side is Long Island. And on the other side of that's the Atlantic Ocean. So I always love doing, because you can see everything. You see Jersey, Connecticut, Long Island, all in one view, which is just awesome.
Let's go.
So you got the flight controls.
Have control.
And yeah, you can start down to 3,500. You can just pitch it down a little bit. See how she feels.
Smooth.
You know, people think it's a lot of inputs, but it's little bits. You know, too much stuff, you start kind of whirring all over the place.
It flies a bit like the Robin, because it's the same kind of underwing, and it's the same bit of movement, and then just
exactly.
it'll fly itself basically.
And so look for about like 500 feet per minute descent.
500.
Yep. And we'll look. We'll start down.
So sensitive, this control.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. The only time you'll need to put big inputs is when it's really gusty. That's when you need to really kind of manhandler a little bit.
Yeah.
That's the airport. Yeah, so just if you stay on like this heading, it'll set us up perfectly for a left base for 3-3. Okay. So I'd go OBS, go course, like that. Perfect. Don't fly golf course.
Not just any golf course either. That is a fine specimen right there.
You can't go on plane, John, okay? You've got a con to do.
We do. There's only one parachute and it's not for me.
5 Mike Whiskey to the airport when it helps.
5 Mike Whiskey, contact Bradley Tower 120.3.
20.3, 5 Mike Whiskey, good morning. Bradley Tower, good morning, Cirrus 595 Mike Whiskey on left base for 3-3, parking signature.
595 Mike Whiskey, Bradley Tower, good morning. Runway 33, clear to land.
Clear land 3-3, Cirrus 5 Mike Whiskey. Keep bringing us down to 2,000. I will level on the 2 for a second.
There's some pretty tiny houses around here.
Oh yeah. Seatbelts, boost coming on, mixture full, flaps to go, and autopilot's been disengaged. No icing. After landing, perfect. Turn to like a 65 heading.
We're coming down okay? Not
Yeah,
too
it's
quick.
perfect. That's fine. Normally like probably like 100 feet before, I'd start slowly just bringing up the nose at like 2100.
You want to level out here?
Yeah, level up here for a second.
Want to get used to that trim?
Yeah, it's interesting to get used to. Yeah, yeah. Alright, we can start down to 1,000 people. Start turning in for the field a little bit. About a 40 heading should be good. There you go. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. That.
Gonna hold that now?
Yeah, just hold it. Good. Take it over a little bit.
Yeah.
When you get a feel for it, so you know, because it's a whole different thing when you actually can feel the airplane.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
No, you
Mike
got
controls, Mike controls.
Nicely done, sir.
Yeah, very nicely done,
That
Paul.
was enjoyable. Thank you for that.
No, of course.
November 16 Lima, turn left on Juliet, left on Sierra, then hold short of Juliet for your systems check. You can move up when you're ready.
That's cool. Look at it. It's on the runway on the screen there, Paul.
Yeah.
On the synthetic vision. You can see the runway there on the screen.
That's amazing. Nicely done.
Very nice. Yes, indeed. That was smooth. Bada.
Cirrus 5 Mike Whiskey, turn left at Juliet, Juliet Alpha signature, may this frequency.
Okay, Juliet Alpha, the signature, Cirrus 5 Mike Whiskey, thanks, good morning.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, same altitude, 0 miles. Traffic, 10 o'clock, same altitude.
Turn right to 280, clear for departure, runway 24 Sierra, 2416 wind.
Signature, Cirrus 595 Mike Whiskey.
November 113, 2 Charlie, Bradley ground, say parking.
95, go ahead.
Yeah, we're just pulling in now, it's the Cirrus, just let us know where you want us to park.
November 32 Charlie, runway 24 at Sierra, taxi via Alpha Juliet Sierra, pass behind the inbound Cirrus.
Looking back on this footage, I see myself 2 years ago when I'd done about 4 hours of real-world flying for my PPL. But looking back, even then I can see how much I was enjoying flying. In the back of the plane was Josh Gibbs and John Fly, both ardent flight simmers and all-round great guys. I must thank my friend Max Weldon, who allowed me to fly up front with him on this trip in his SR22. He's a great guy, and he's since gone on to fly private jets and make videos of his journeys on his own YouTube channel. This year, Max flew me from New York down to Orlando in a Citation M2 jet. I sat up front, right seat, and it was all recorded. You can look forward to that flight real soon. Until then, take care guys, and happy flying.
Welcome to Flight Simcom, buddy.
Max,
Nicely done.
that was beautiful, mate.
Calling ground, say again.